Global warming and ever-rising energy costs make saving energy an important priority. But today's modern homes use more energy than ever before. So how do we maintain our comfortable lifestyle and still keep our electricity bills low? Now, there's Panasonic's intelligent inverter air conditioner. Compared with non-inverter models, it provides maximum 50% energy savings when cooling and maximum 64% energy savings when heating. Let's find out how it can save you so much energy. Non-inverter air conditioners operate at a fixed power output. The temperature is controlled by switching the power on and off. Every time the power comes on, the air conditioner draws more power, consuming more electricity. By contrast, an intelligent inverter air conditioner maintains the room temperature by continually varying its power output. By doing this with precision, it uses minimum power, hence saving a lot of energy. How is it possible that Panasonic's intelligent inverters are so energy efficient? Thanks to a wider output power range, the intelligent inverter can vary its cooling power to meet different room occupancy levels. This and Panasonic's precision control technology enable an intelligent inverter air conditioner to adjust the rotation speed of the compressor to sustain low power operation. Compared to a non-inverter model, it cools a room 1.5 times faster and warms a room 4 times faster. Panasonic's intelligent inverter technology also maintains a higher level of relative humidity of up to 10% higher than regular cooling operation. In this way, the mild dry cooling minimizes the loss of skin moisture to prevent skin dryness and dry throat. For optimum performance, cooling and heating that is more precise, more uniform and quicker, Panasonic's intelligent inverter air conditioners are clearly the best choice.